Hey. Hi.
Hi.
We're back. Look who's back. He's here.
Hey.
Yay!
I made it.
We made it this time.
Missed the last one.
But he's back. I'm going to do a test on John. The test that I did, I got my results. I got a couple of questions wrong, so I'm going to see whether you get right what I got wrong. I'm not going to tell you what they are now. So this is our first kind of quiz.
Quiz number 1.
What's it on?
Part 1.
It's on. First question. It's on anatomy and physiology.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm in the
No
zone.
pressure. First question. What are the 6 functions of the skeleton?
So it acts as a framework for locomotion, movement, for storage, production of blood cells, I think red and white, protection, ribs and stuff. There's one more.
There's one more. This is the one that I found the most difficult to remember. Think of the skeleton. Think of the
yes,
bones.
so it attaches muscle. Something
Soft
for the soft tissue attachment.
Correct.
Tick.
The 2 structural divisions for the skeleton are what?
Axial, and appendages. Appendicular?
Correct.
Appendicular? Yeah.
Correct. What parts make up these divisions?
The cranium, the head, the spine. Do I have to
So this is
say
the axial.
exactly which ones?
No. So the axial is the...
So it's the head, the spine, and the ribs.
Correct. The skull.
The skull,
spine,
sorry.
And the ribs. And the appendicular is what?
Well, everything else. Arms, legs.
Rest of the body, shoulders, pelvis, upper and lower limbs.
I thought I was supposed to name every bone, because I can do that.
Okay, what is the protective layer called that coats a bone? This is difficult.
No. Epimysium.
Oh, no.
No, perimysium.
No.
That coats the bone?
Yeah.
Periosteum.
Yes.
Ugh.
Name the 2 processes of ossification and what they do.
So, do I have to describe what the process is? Or describe...
Name the 2 processes and what they do.
So there's osteoblasts.
Yeah, what do they do?
That provide calcium and minerals for the bone. And there's osteoclasts that break down the bone, and it happens at the same time, isn't it?
So osteoblasts are cells that help form the bone. Osteoclasts are cells that help eat away old bone.
Yeah,
so
it's
not what you said, but...
I went into more detail.
I'll let you have that. What part of the spine is associated with kyphosis?
The top bit. What do you mean?
It's wrong.
Yeah, kyphosis is when you do that.
But it's still wrong.
Do you want me to name the bones?
No.
Lordosis is when you do that.
Yeah.
Scoliosis, you're all twisted.
Yeah.
And kyphosis is the...
Correct, but it's not that part that...
So it's the middle
spine,
back. Middle back.
which is...
The thoracic.
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 Thoracic, because I saw it online yesterday and it made me think of Jurassic Park. That's my way of remembering
the Jurassic
the
area.
Jurassic area of your spine.
Cool.
Okay. Name the 3 classifications of joints. This is a difficult one.
Not the type of joint. Classification.
The classifications.
Oh.
There's 3 different classifications of joints within the body.
Oh, there's a fused one.
Should we come back to this?
There's the spinal ones, which have the little cushions between them.
Yeah, it's simpler than that. You're thinking about it too much. Let's come back to that. Okay, give an example of a hinge joint.
Hinge, knee.
Yes, correct. Cardiac muscle is only found in the...
Heart.
Name the 2 contractile proteins found in the myofibrils.
Myosin and actin.
Yes. Name the fascia that coats the whole of the muscle.
I said this earlier.
Yes, you did. It's not periosteum.
No.
You said it before.
No. It's myo something, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Is it peri...
No.
Oh, I said it. Rewind.
Go back. Do you want to skip it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ligaments attach what to what?
Bone to bone.
Tendons attach what to what?
Muscle to bone.
Correct. Name an event you would associate with type 1 fibres.
Type 1. So that's aerobic. Respiration.
Is that what you're saying? No, an event.
An event. Oh. Walking.
Not really.
Lying still, because it's still...
No.
You're using muscles.
No, it's the one... A marathon is the answer. It's the
yeah,
ones...
which is aerobic. It's not anaerobic.
But this
Aerobic.
is a type
That's
1...
type 1 muscle.
It's not the right answer.
That's what I think.
The answer is... Name the smallest structure in the muscle.
Microfibril? No, or...
Myofibril.
Myofibril, yeah,
Yeah.
myofibril.
What is the thinnest contractile protein called?
Actin.
When the muscle shortens under tension, it is known as...
Flexion.
I got that one wrong. Is that the answer?
I think so.
Okay, we both need to check that one. No, stop cheating. When the quads are contracting eccentrically, what is the joint action?
So that would be like pushing up. So like a second half of a squat. So if you were getting off a chair, is there like a certain word that I have to say?
No, this is where I scribbled on my answers.
What's the answer?
I don't know. Flexion.
Right. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Fine. Yeah.
So the one before, I don't know what that is. That's the one I got wrong.
It's flexion.
So they're both flexion.
Yes.
It's tricky.
Hang on. No, because the joint, if the angle is getting bigger, then that's extension. So
no,
like you're
it's
extending.
flexion.
No,
I
flexion.
put extension to begin with. We'll come back to that.
I'm right. Next.
What does a synergist do?
It allows something to happen. So it's the...
Doesn't allow, what's the word?
It's the catalyst. Synergist, catalyst. Things happen. It allows things to happen.
It assists.
Okay.
It assists the movement of the prime mover.
Right, so like... fine.
Biceps, triceps.
Yeah.
What is a consequence of weak pelvic floor muscles?
Incontinence. Serious question.
Is incontinence weeing? Or is that the other one?
It's both.
Okay.
It's just everything.
Well, I don't think weak pelvic floor muscles make you, you know.
I don't know because I haven't got it, so ask somebody.
Name the sequence of air through the respiratory tract.
So goes mouth, nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchioles, bronchi, to the alveoli.
Correct. I got that one wrong, but that's right,
villi
isn't it?
Inside.
And then the little village. That's what you said.
The villi. The little.
Oh, not the village.
No, not the village.
Where does gaseous exchange take place?
In the alveoli.
Yes. Where is the heart located?
Just left of centre.
Under the...
Rib cage.
No.
Sternum.
Correct. The heart is what size?
This size.
How many chambers are there in the heart?
4.
What is optimal blood pressure?
Is it 80 over 20? Or 120 over 80?
Yes. And below those. So
Yeah.
below 120 over 80.
Yeah.
Heart rate is a number of beats per
minute.
The nervous system is broken into 2 structural divisions. What are they?
The peripheral sensory system and the nervous, cerebral? Central.
Yes.
There you go.
A motor unit comprises of what?
Neuron. A muscle. I don't know this one.
I think it's one type of muscle fibre. A single motor neuron.
Yeah, that's what I meant. So, and A, so it would be either type 1, type 2A or type 2B.
Describe the all or nothing law.
So if a neuron was triggered, or I don't really know the term used. So if there's an impulse which is using the neuron, then you can't just use like specific ones. It has to be the whole muscle. Otherwise it won't.
All muscle fibres move, or none at all.
Yeah.
All or nothing.
Yeah, because that's what the motor
What is
unit
mitochondria?
They are the organelles within a cell that respiration take place in.
Right, well, I don't know this one, and I'm struggling with this because
I will tell you
you
about
told me
it
this,
later.
and then I put it in my answer, and I was like,
I told you it.
I looked at it, and I was like, small cell structures. And I've got it wrong, and I still don't know what mitochondria are. I can't even say the word.
In a cell, there are mitochondria or mitochondrion.
What is it?
Do you not remember this from biology?
I didn't do biology.
GCSE biology.
I didn't do biology.
Oh. I'll later. I'll tell.
Carbohydrates contain how many calories?
Is it 1 kilojoule per
No.
something?
Fats contain how many calories?
8.
No. Proteins contain how many calories?
Shut up. It's something like 1, 3 and 8.
No. Miles off. You need to learn these ones. I still don't know them, but you can learn them. Name the 3 energy systems.
Hang on. Energy systems as in... So it'd be aerobic
Yeah.
respiration, anaerobic.
No.
What do you mean, no?
I mean, no. The answer isn't anaerobic. It's aerobic. The next question is which 2 are anaerobic? So, name the 3 energy systems, and then tell me which 2 are anaerobic.
So anaerobic is the lactate. Is that the answer?
That's one of them, yeah.
There you go.
And what's the other one?
It's the one that has creatine.
Yes. Creatine.
Creatine phosphate.
Correct. Yeah. Hey, you did good.
Did I do good?
You did good. Now what we're going to do is go away and learn about mitochondria.
We're going to have to look in the book.
We're going to look in the book at the questions that neither of us knew the answers to, and the
Check.
ones that are still like
Check
not
who's right.
quite in my brain.
Me. And then learn more.